In this video, I'll show you how to use your Wise card abroad without fees. Step 1. Use your Wise card to spend from currency balances. Ensure you hold the currency in your Wise account that matches the country's currency where you are spending. This avoids conversion fees. Step 2. Let Wise auto-convert at low fees. If you don't have the exact currency balance, Wise automatically converts with low fees, starting from 0.57% at the mid-market rate, which is much lower than traditional banks. Step 3. Avoid dynamic currency conversion, also DCC. When paying or withdrawing cash, always choose to pay in the local currency. Decline offers to pay in your home currency to avoid costly foreign transaction fees. Step 4. Use fee-free ATM withdrawals within limits. Wise allows 2 free ATM withdrawals each month up to a combined total of $100. After that, a small withdrawal fee applies. Step 5. Monitor your card usage in the Wise app. Use the Wise app to track your spending, check remaining free ATM withdrawals, and manage your balances. Now I have some additional tips for you. You can order your card with express delivery if traveling soon. Use the Wise virtual card for immediate international online payments. Set spending limits and freeze or unfreeze your card for added security. Check Wise's fees and limits regularly, as they can vary by country and currency. And that's how you enjoy fee-free spending abroad with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.